Hello Scholar, today's tip will enable us to find the slope of a line. Stay tuned. Hello Scholar, welcome to today's video. So today's video we're going to be finding the slope. It says what's the slope of the line given by the equation 8 equals 3y minus 5x, and of course we have these options. Alright, so today's tip, we would rearrange this equation to look like the standard linear equation. What is the standard linear equation? The standard linear equation is y equals mx plus c, where m is your slope and c is your y-intercept. Okay? On the graph, it looks like this, where you have, if you have a line like this, for example, you see this is the y-intercept where it intersects the y-axis. Then to find the slope of the line, this is the slope of the line. All right, rise over run is rise divided by run. This is the rise and this is the run. So this is C and this is M. All right, so this is the standard linear equation. Now our tip today, we are going to rearrange this to look like this. So we have 8 equals to 3y minus 5x, right? So for this to look like this, that means we have to make y the subject of this equation. So we have that 8 plus 5x equals to 3y. We could rewrite this as 3y equals to 5x plus 8. Then if I divide through by 3, y becomes 5x over 5 over 3x plus 8 over 3. All right, now this looks now like the standard equation. Y equals m, this is your m, x plus c. So that means your m is what? 5 over 3, and your c is 8 over 3. The question is asking us to find the slope. So the slope is this one, 5 over 3, because we rearranged this equation to look like the standard linear equation, and then from there we find what m is. M is the coefficient of x, while c is the constant, the y-intercept. All right, if you found value from this video, make sure you subscribe, also like, and also share with your friends. Remember, this channel is all about SAT and ACT mark prep, so make sure you watch videos on coordinate geometry, exponents that I've done in previous videos, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.